Good morning guys! Kakagising lang namin ni Mister and it's 9 o'clock. So, mag-ano na kami guys. Breakfast muna and then we're going to do our living room. To-change namin ang color. Hello guys! Ngayon ay... Anong araw ngayon? Friday? It's Friday. Ay, okay naman pala yung nasuot kong ano. Pangtaas. So, it's Friday today. Ngayon, ang araw na to ay ano kami ni Mister. Eto guys, kung makikita nyo makalat. Yan. So, yung mga gamit dito, sa kabilang side, ililipat namin guys dito. So, kaya makalat yung papasensyahan nyo na muna. Yan ang project namin ngayon ni Echo na gagawin namin today. Ito guys, yan si Mister. Dito yung sinampay ko, tanggalin ko rin. Sa winter guys, dito ako sa loob nagsasampay ng damit. Kung summer naman dito sa labas, yan ako nagsasampay. So ayan guys, makikita nyo makalat ngayon. Buhay natin ang ilaw. Ito kasing wall na to, napaka-dark ng color. Kaya gusto naming palitan ni Ekon. Hindi siya bagay. Sobrang dark. Diyan din, tanggalin namin din yung color na yan. Patungan namin yan. Gusto namin gawing white. And then, itong light na to, ililipat din namin. Kailangan yung light na yan andito sa center. Yan. Ay, hindi pala yan. Ito pala yun. Yan. And yung light na yan, andito naman sa side. Dito sa bilang side. So, yan, makalat pa guys. Pasensya na. Pero, aayusin naman namin yan. So, hopefully marami kaming magawa ni Mister. So, ayan. Ganyan. Ayan, tatanggalin din yan. Eto, kung makikita nyo kung gaano, pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalaki yung andito ako sa kabilang side. Yan, makalat pa. Pero, si Mr. makalat ba sa? Too much mess daw. Yan, guys. So, see you later. Sige. Do you need help?
Out of my way, that's more important.
Oh, this way. Okay. Sige. Kaya mo yan. I think it's not possible. I think it's too big. So, ilipat niyo doon. Ilagay niyo doon sa kabilang kabilang kwarto. So, marami kong gagawin, guys. Pero, ayan. Makalat pa ngayon. Pero, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung magiging different niya pag naayos na namin. Pati ang kulay ng wall. And, yung magiging result pag pinagpalit namin yung posisyon ng aming mga gamit. So, dito yan dati. Dito dati yung aming long table. Doon na namin ilalagay. And yung TV dito sa kabilang side. And yung mga couch na yan, sofa, dito naman sa side na to. So, yan. Kung makikita nyo guys, yung blue na may doon, planggana. Ano yun? Yun yung aking malunggay na namatay na. See you later guys. Bye muna. Tulungan ko si Mister. Ito guys naman, yan, kailangan naming tanggalin ang laman yan. dito namin ililipat. Doon. Dito. Ito naman guys yung isa sa mga collection ko. Binili namin to ni Mr. nung nabakasyon kami sa Prague. Gold. Ha? Yeah. Yeah. Ito yan. Nakikita nyo guys. Puno na yung aking mga purple. Ito. Violet. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Etong glass na to, binili din namin to sa Prague. Kasabay nitong gold. So, collection ko lang yan guys. Ilan to? 6. And ito, as usual, violet. So, ayan. Ayun yung mga nakalagay dun sa aking cabinet. Nililipat lang namin. Halahan! Why this one is kapot? Oh, it's broken. Look at that. Be careful.
Oh, nee, dat is al geweest denk ik met
Verhuizen.
ja.
Siguro sa paglilipat namin, nakailang lipat na kasi kami guys. Oh, tignan mo. May ano siya dito. May basag siya dito. Sayang naman. Ito yung kasama niya. Ayan. Andyan sila. So, si Mr. ay patapos na yun. Yun. Natanggal na namin. So, I think I'm gonna help him. Guys, tingnan nyo. Gaano katangkad si Mr. Look. How long you are?
I'm not long.
Standing straight.
I'm not tall.
See?
She's small.
And naka-ano pa ako guys. Meron pa ako sa ganyan. Taas. Hello guys! We're back! Ayan, si Mr. Kasalukuyang nagpipintura. Yan kasi guys, yung kulay na yan ay masyadong dark. Parang hindi bagay. So, gusto kong palitan ng white. Same. White lang. And dito guys, nalagyan na niya ng acryl kit. Yan. Sa corners.
Then later tape it off and then you get a nice line, not a wiggly line.
Yeah. Good morning guys!
Good morning!
Yeah.
Today we're going to show you the finished product of our living room.
We did
A lot actually. Now there's only one more thing I need to do, but that's small
yes
things.
guys. So, we are going to show guys kung ano yung mga ginawa namin lately na busy kami. That's why I also don't have a new video, huh?
Yeah.
So, we've been really busy guys. It's not only the living room, but it's also the
Bathroom,
kitchen. So, we're really busy guys. So, we're not just sitting and waiting or doing nothing, but we try to do something every day. bit by bit. And today, we decided to show you guys the result. Huh?
Yeah.
The result of, how do you call this? Changing or remaking?
The makeover of the
Oh yeah,
living room.
the makeover
Of the
of
living room.
our living room. So guys,
Here we
keep
go.
watching. So guys, yan, naririnig nyo. I can will explain.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. So,
You do-
first of all, we made here our living room because we wanted to be a bit more in the light. We also have a nice ceiling light. A small chandelier, not too big because the ceiling is not too high.
Too high, yeah.
Television, of course.
Yeah, as you can see guys, I love purple. So, ang couch namin ay purple.
Me too.
Si Ekon, also, he likes purple because of me. I think. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So, and this area naman guys, meron kaming small computer area. Yan. And he did repainted the wall. And as you can see, mas ano siya, more, how do you say that? Spacious. Yeah. Dati kasi baliktad. Dito yung long table and the TV was there. So, we changed the position. So, we have more space than before. And ang aming curtains as well, you can see light purple. And ayan yung ginawa kong Christmas tree.
Wait.
So, Econ will, yeah.
Switch on the light.
Yeah, but not
No,
all.
the other one I need to
The
fix.
other one
There's
is-
something wrong with the
And
light.
ito guys na ang aming
That is now the dining
the
table.
dining table. Dito,
And as you
Dito na
see,
siya.
there's the great height for the window.
yeah. Which is before here, the couch and the extra bed on it. And here we're supposed to be the TV. Yan ang nilagay namin guys. So, ayan. Ayan. So, with purple on it and merong budang malaki. And ito ay gamit namin. So, and this corner naman, ito guys, yung kabibili ko lang na plant. So, yan. And ipapakita ko rin guys sa inyo yung aking hanging. Nakikita
Orchid.
niyo ba? Orchid. Yan. Bago din yan. And ang aking sa pang orchid. And ito yung ano namin, lamesa, dining table. Ayan. So, may purple din. As you can see, purple is in this house. So, ayan. Meron kaming malaking dalawang ilaw. Yes. And this cabinet supposed to be was there.
Where the TV is.
Yeah, where the TV is now. And now we put it here. And with extra also cabinet here, which is you can see guys what I have here. I have yeah,
A little shrine.
yeah, for you know. Meron din naman ako yan guys. So at least nadala ko pa rin sila, hindi sila nabasag. And yan. So yan lang guys ang aming ayan oh, living room. Ayun, dito sa kabilang side also. Yan, dyan, yan, mayroon kaming simple how do you say that?
Simple paintings, but
Paintings.
fits nicely with the color.
Yeah, with the color. And we put also two
Small seats.
small seats. Yeah, yan. Halaman ko. So, puno na rin ako ng halaman dito. Lilipat. So, you can see guys, ngayon ay sobrang magandang weather. And dito, guys, ang aming extra na room. Which is dito matutulog yung kapatid ko bukas. Darating sila. Yan, inayos ko na. And dito nilagay ko rin yung etong bed na to. Andito siya. Andun siya. Andun siya dati guys. So, kaya yun ang nakapagpasikip sa amin. Kaya tinanggal na namin. So, inilagay namin dito ni Mr. sa isang magkasama sila. Pwede yung hilahin, so pwede dyang lumaki yung bed na yan. So, and dito yan. Ito yung dating bed namin, guys. Hindi namin tinapon kasi sayang naman. And meron naman kaming extrang room para lagyan nito. Kung meron akong bisita, so pwede sila dyang matulog. And merong extrang cabinet. Again, sa mga, mga gamit pang ina. So, from here, papakita ko lang kung yan.